Thank you. We are proud to announce that the Penang Convention and Exhibition Bureau, PCEB, will be organizing the inaugural Penang International Travel Exchange, PITE, a premier travel exchange that will be held in September 2018. The PITE is a homegrown travel exchange created by PCEB to further position Penang as the leading business events and leisure destination in Asia Pacific. Selected buyers from around the world will be brought to Penang each year to experience Penang's many experiences unfiltered. PITE will also include a business-to-business sessions, site inspection, education workshop, and networking events. For the first edition of PITE, Penang will be hosting buyers from the Global Panorama Showcase, GPS, which is a business meeting point for tourism professionals from the leading tourism services provider from India. So we are hosting them, basically the decision maker in the tourism industry, for them to come to Penang, network, know Penang, and bring this information and knowledge back to their respective place in India so that they can plan tours and visit and a MICE event in Penang. So this is a way we want to promote Penang through this activity. This is actually a continuation of the highly successful India Roadshow that PCEB and the Team Penang embarked on to India in January this year. So instead of we going there, now this event will bring the decision makers from India to our doorstep here in Penang. And in the January mission, the team cover 4 cities, which include Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru. In each city, PCEB held a B2B session and a networking dinner for the buyers, and Penang partners sponsor a total of 100,000 worth of lucky draw prizes. About 1,000 interested buyers, as well as media, association chairs, and members of the Indian Tourism and Trade Boards, attended the roadshow. From the 4 press conferences held during the sales mission, Penang received approximately 1.03 million ringgit in terms of media exposure. So the business event industry in Penang has been showing steady and positive growth. In 2016, the estimated economic impact, or EEI, for business events in Penang was recorded at 808 million ringgit, whereas last year, the EEI has surpassed the 1 billion ringgit target with a total of 1.002 billion ringgit. I am positive that with this travel exchange, Penang shall continue to position itself as a potential business events destination and convince more organizers to hold their events here. In future, Penang International Travel Exchange, or PITE, will be opened up to other interested buyers and meeting planners around the group to encourage exposure and instill more knowledge on ongoing business events in Penang. In line with this, I would also like to introduce Penang's first professional conference organizers, PCO, the Apollo Conferences, which will also be the co-organizers of PITE. I believe to support Penang's mission to be a leading destination for business events, we must have a PCO of our own. And this is one of the great initiatives of PCEB in developing the industry to move forward. The increase of business events held in Penang will positively impact the growth of not only the EEI, but also the growth of the industry for Penang. Let us continue to strive in making Penang the preferred world-class business events destination for various congresses, convention meetings and other large-scale events. I wish PCEB and Apollo conferences a successful event, and we look forward to welcoming 150 business events and leisure buyers from the Global Panorama Showcase from India to the Penang International Travel Exchange in this year, in September 2018. Thank you. Okay, I think
bagi destinasi Pulau Pinang sebagai destinasi pelancongan tidak dipromosikan di India secara besar-besaran. Jadi bagi pasaran India, destinasi yang popular di Malaysia adalah mainly Langkawi, Genting, Kuala Lumpur. Jadi hanya 3 destinasi ini dipromosikan di pasaran India. Jadi bila Januari kita menganjurkan roadshow ke India, 4 destinasi, Kolkata, Bangalore, Mumbai dan Delhi, maka ejen-ejen pelancong di India mendapat tahu bahawa Pulau Pinang agak menarik dari segi packaging, dan kebanyakan ejen telah pun memberi idea bahawa Pulau Pinang boleh di-package sebanyak minimum 3 malam, 4 hari 3 malam, dan ia boleh dijadikan sebagai kombinasi dengan Langkawi. Jadi Singapura juga boleh dijadikan sebagai kombinasi. So sebagai example, 150 ejen dari India akan ke Pulau Pinang, dan dari Pulau Pinang mereka akan menggunakan Star Cruise dan terus ke Singapura. Jadi connectivity sebagai dual destination adalah salah satu strategi yang kita juga fokus bagi pasaran India.